everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financiable. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to write post on Etoro. To get started, let's open Etoro app. Make sure you have already installed Etoro app on your device. So in this interface you can see many options in button. So here tap on pencil icon as shown here. It will navigate you to this interface. Here add your post, enter whatever you want to write. And click on post button. So in this way you can write post on Etoro. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.